Hey besties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janae. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Please like, share, and comment. I love to engage with you guys in the comment section, so you guys can leave a comment. I love to read it. I love to engage. I love just everything about it. The comment section. I love to connect with you guys. Also, you can follow all my socials so we can connect and get to know each other a little better. So in my last makeup video, I asked if y'all wanted me to do a brow tutorial, and some of y'all said yes. So I'm here today with a brow tutorial for y'all. I am wearing clean skin right now, but I'm gonna do some brows for you. So for me, I like to take the pencil. I like my pencil. I always tried the brow dip before, and I don't think I liked it much, so I went back to my pencil liners. So I'm gonna be using my pencil liner today to line my brows and do that. So I normally line my brows. Using my pencil liner to line my brows. If you see me looking around, it's because my mirror is in front of me, so that's why. So I go in with my pencil, and this is the Clean Color pencil in dark brown. I got this from the beauty supply store, I think, and I like it. It gives me a full look. So I'm gonna do next side now, and we're going to. So when you're doing your brows, guys, you need to go in the form of the arch of how your brows arch. And your brows do not have to be identical. They just need to be similar, because your brows are not twins. They are sisters. Obviously, because one side of your face is much bigger than the other side. That's what they said. One side of your face is bigger than the other side. I don't get it. Girl, I'm gonna get it. I really not get it, but them say one side of our face bigger than the next side. So I guess whatever them say, right? Them say one side of our face bigger than the next side. And that way I work with. So next I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in the shade 50, and it's called Cafe. So yeah, we're gonna see if I like this one, because when it comes down to concealer, guys, I normally stick to one, and the one that I really like right now, I'm out. Sorry, I'm out, but I'm gonna go get some tomorrow, so not to fear. No fear. I'm gonna get it tomorrow. And we will do it that way. So then I'm going in with my spoolie, and I'm just gonna like comb the hair and blend out the pencil liner so that it looks smooth and seamless. Yeah, so it looks smooth and seamless. I'm gonna start giving shout outs to my subscribers when I do videos. So I'm gonna look for a subscriber, maybe a recent one, maybe not. So maybe I'm gonna start giving shout outs and writing down for my subscribers that engage with me every single day. Like, I'll give a shout out to 2 or 1. So I think I have the person that I have in mind to give today's shout out to, but I'm just gonna go back on one of my recent video and write down her name, and then we come back and finish up the brow so I can give her a shout out, because she's been on cue every single time I post. She's probably one of the first persons to comment, the first persons to watch my video, the first persons to like, and I really appreciate it. So I want to show my appreciation to her, so you guys can go over to her YouTube and give her a thumbs up or subscribe to her channel if you would like, because she's a baddie. Okay guys, so the subscriber that I'm giving a shout out to today is Kiera Cherie, and I'm gonna put her information right here so you guys can see that, and you guys can go support her, show her some love. She's been showing me a lot of love, and I really appreciate it. So Kiera, if you're watching this, hey girl, hey, I'm giving you a shout out today because you have been on cue with supporting me, and I really appreciate it, and love your vibe, love everything about your channel, period. So this shout out goes to Kiera. It's Kierra Sharre Cherie, and I'll put her information right here so you guys can go and give her a shout out. Go and give her some support. So since I've done outlining and blending my brows, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit. So guys, I just go in with my concealer and I just follow my arch. So all you have to do is just follow your arch to get that perfect brow, and trust me, it all comes together, right? Look at that, so nice. So next I'm gonna go over to the next one and do the same thing, and then we are going to do the top. I'm gonna go line over the top with the same concealer, and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer in the middle of the bottom. There I go. And the reason why my brows are so thick, guys, is because my brows are thick in real life. And so sometimes I have to go back in and like make it a little bit slimmer. Of course, that means going over my hair, but hey, it's too big. It's too big. Yeah. So next I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. My Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and I'm gonna blend. Wait, before I do that, let me go in with my beige. Not the beige one, this one. Cappuccino. And I'm gonna go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer with NYX makeup, and it's called Can't Stop Won't Stop, and it is and then I'm gonna go in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in beige, and this is Cappuccino, so Cappuccino and beige, and I'm going to take a little dab there. So Wednesday, guys, I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys on a Wednesday. You guys may like that. Alright, that there. And guys, remember that the key to doing makeup is blending. So you gotta blend, honey. Blend till your hands hurt, okay? Blend until your hands hurt. I have a makeup look that I wanna do for you guys, so I'm gonna try to do it on Thursday, because I have a makeup tutorial to do for you guys tomorrow as well. It's a requested one. It's with that pink eyeshadow that I did last week. A lot of you, I did a poll on Instagram, and a lot of you asked me to. So then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and I'm gonna blend this out. And guys, you wanna blend, like blend. Blend. So then I want to go in with my Real Techniques 200 Expert Face Brush, and I'm just gonna blend this out right here so we don't look too crazy. And there's nothing on the brush, by the way, guys. It's just, I'm just blending with no product at all. There's no product on the brush. I'm just trying to get it to blend in. And you can do that, it's easy. Just keep blending, blend out, right? Then I'm gonna go back in with my Beauty Evolve brow brush, and I'm going to just fix up these parts so it can look perfect, and these parts, because you see my hair was in the way and it left a little thing right there. Gotta get that out. So yeah. Made a little mistake right there. Gotta fix that. So yeah guys, that is it for my in-depth brow tutorial. Now we could just put a little setting spray. A little setting spray never hurt nobody. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little setting spray. And that's it guys for my in-depth brow tutorial. I hope, really hope you liked it. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment so we can interact with each other. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, and let's stay in touch. Bye.